Hello friends, how are you all today? I am here with a new video, and today we're gonna learn about CSS ZIndex. So this is very easy chapter, and we shall talk about it after some time with intro. After intro, but wait for the intro and enjoy the video. But if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So at first, we want to talk about what is usually a Z-index. Z-index is something that can show something over another thing. So today we're gonna talk about this, and we're gonna see the live examples. So now go and CSS ZIndex link to CSS red box green box. So now here just remove this area and make this same value, refresh. So now you can see like this. So now make the position of this relative and the position of this need to be absolute. Now if we check, so is being nothing, so make it absolute, make it relative. So now now you can see the green box has covered the place of red box. Now suppose we're gonna make a red box visible, so use the Z-index value what I have told sometimes ago. Write a positive value, and if we see, so you can see the red box is visible. Now the green box has been sent to the back side. But if we use a negative value like -1, so the red box will be sent to the back side. So this is how we can show something over another thing. This is the works of a Z-index. You can see, so it's a very easy chapter, a very easy topic. So I've made this video for you to understand something about it. If you feel this video if you feel this video as well, so please like this video, and if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe this channel, and I love it.